Hey guys, so here I am with Anthony and we're going to check out his car. Hey Anthony, so what car is this?
Right, this car is a 1991 Mark 1 Golf GTI convertible. It's the Rivage model, which there was actually only 252 Rivages made in right-hand drive in this particular colour, which is a pearl green metallic with cream leather heated seats.
So Anthony, what have you done to the car?
Right, so first of all, I took out the engine. I painted the engine bay when I had the engine out. So the engine is stripped down, there's new pistons, there's new rings, the head is reconditioned, and there's a whole new cooling system gone into it, all new hoses. Injection system was rebuilt, including the meter and head, and there's a whole new stainless steel exhaust system. And all new fuel pumps, new fuel tank, and that's basically the engine done. Run it, and it's actually, I can start it if you want to hear it running.
Yeah, please do.
Give it a start. So that's just a cold start with no issues whatsoever with it. Running fine, cranking on, done.
And in terms of the gearbox, what have you done?
So the gearbox, she's a 5-speed diesel gearbox that's rebuilt. It had 90mm cups and I changed them to 100 because that's what my drive shafts take. And also put a new clutch and pressure plate in there while I had the box out. I was telling you about it, see. That has to be compressed. And you won't compress it without cramp. And then these clips go in here and lock onto the main shaft. So there's a shaft coming out of the gearbox.
Yes.
Yeah, so these go on. So you have to compress that and try and get them on in one go.
And these are obviously the 90 ones, but
These are
you've
the 90s.
changed them.
I changed them to 100, yeah.
Brilliant.
So I did.
So Anthony, can you tell me about the back end?
Yeah, so the back axle has been sandblasted and repainted. I fitted poly bushes to the anti-roll bar. They're much stronger than the original rubber bush. And also new clamps here and here.
What else have you done?
There's new shocks and springs gone in there, new hubs, new brakes, cylinders, copper brake lines.
And Anthony, that's a very clean fuel tank.
Yeah, like when I had the back axle off, I said I'd take down the fuel tank and have a look. Original tank was rusty. It was savable, but look, a new tank wasn't there. So I put a new fuel tank, new hose and a new downpipe. These tend to rust very badly, so I replaced that. And also there's a new fuel pump and fuel piping throughout the car, all replaced, including an in-tank pump as well.
Now onto one of my favourite bits, the shiny exhaust.
Yeah, like the exhaust system on the car was pretty good, but I said, look, I go stainless steel because it's a lifetime job. So it's made by Jetix and it's a full system from the manifold back. So it's a new back box, a new centre box, and also I put a 4-branch manifold on it and I heat wrapped it as well. So a whole new exhaust system on it.
Okay, now we're at the front of the car. So Anthony, what have we done to the front axles?
So the front, there's new bearings, there's new discs, there's new hubs, replaced calipers, stainless steel braided hoses all around. Coil springs, suspension inserts are new, anti-roll bar bushes. There's new drives, inner and outer. That's basically, new wishbones and ball joints.
So basically at the end, this car should drive like a brand new,
yeah, it should be like as
nearly 30-year-old car.
as it came out of the factory with everything new. That's my plan anyway. So
Brilliant. So Anthony, I don't know about your taste in wheels, but what wheels are going on the car?
No, forget about the wheels that's on the car. They're just on it so I can move it around. Here we have the original wheels off the car. They're original Volkswagen Castle Ray, I think they're called. They're a forged alloy. So when they're done, they'll be completely polished like a mirror. And they're 15-inch, so that's what came on the car from new, and I have 4 of them, so I put them back on it.
They do look lovely. I'm sure it looks really stand out when they're finished.
Yeah, it will, yeah.
And you're going to shine these up, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm going to polish them, yeah. They should have a polished face on them, so they'll be polished like a mirror hopefully when I'm done, so they go back on the car then ready for next summer.
Lovely. So speaking of next summer, is that actually your plan? Is that when it's going to be on the road for 2021?
Yeah, my plan is it's 30 years old next March, so that's when I'll have that. That's my deadline for the car to go on the road. So once I have it painted and the new roof fitted, we put away for the winter and finish off then for next March, and I'll be able to get the cheap road tax, €56, which is brilliant, and have ready for next summer.
Speaking of colour, you're hardly going black, are you?
No, that's just a primer you're seeing there. It's black primer. The original colour of the car is dragon green pearl. So I actually have the boot lid already painted. So that's the colour.
Oh wow, that is gorgeous.
It's going to be. That's the original colour of the car. Dragon or pearl green metallic is the actual colour.
And you can totally see that the colour. Gosh, that's gorgeous.
So that's the colour of it.
So 2021, this car is going to hit the streets.
It'll be on the road, not for sale.
So guys, thanks very much for watching. Thank you, Anthony, for having me down, and I hope to see your car back on the road someday soon.
No problem.
Hey guys, so thanks very much for watching. That was absolutely brilliant. Really enjoyed interviewing Anthony, and it was my first time ever to do an interview and to see a project halfway through, and he's putting a huge amount of work into it, so it'll be so interesting to see it all finished. Anyway, if you like these videos, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Support me in PayPal in the link below so I can keep making videos and pushing the Corrado project forward. And if you want to watch any other videos, check out all the videos down below. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time. To reply, and someone else went, here's a video I found on the internet. And you're like, and they put up your video, and you're like,
Video, yeah.
it's like
yeah.
suddenly you're getting more famous, like.
Yeah.